Scene 1. Introduction. Camera pans over a sweeping view of diverse landscapes. Vast deserts shimmer under a golden sun. Lush forests stand tall. Serene mountains kiss the clouds, and flowing rivers glisten in their eternal currents. The scene slowly fades into a heavenly throne encased in radiant light, where a regal figure, the King of the Kingdom of God, begins to speak. King of the Kingdom of God. Narrator. Behold, the tapestry of time, a fabric woven with the infinite threads of wisdom, sourced from every corner of this earth. Humanity, the salt of the earth, is like a unified rice seasoned by diverse beliefs and traditions. True vision is not seen with the eyes, but felt with the heart. It is a gift reserved for those who truly embrace their humanity. Scene 2. Ancient wisdom unveiled. The screen shifts to an atmospheric reenactment of Chief Seattle addressing his tribe. The backdrop is a twilight sky with the soft glow of firelight. Chief Seattle. Our people have always known that the earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. This deeper truth, that we are all connected, that our vision comes from spirit, has always been our guide to living in harmony and respect for all creation. A subtle transition reveals an Australian outback. An Aboriginal elder stands under the shade of an ancient tree, the reddish tones of the land and pastel sky behind him as he speaks to his community. Australian Aboriginal elder. In the dream time, the songs of the earth, the wisdom embedded in rocks, the stories written in stars. All these were taught to us by our ancestors. You see, your true vision is not what your eyes perceive, but what your spirit understands. This is the key to walking respectfully in this world. Scene 3. The wisdom of the Quran. The camera shifts to a peaceful scene in a mosque where a respected Islamic scholar, Imam Al-Ghazali, stands before an attentive group. Imam Al-Ghazali, as the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, taught, the most beloved people to Allah are those who are most beneficial to others. In our faith, nature is not separate, but a sign of God's creation. Loving and protecting every form of life is a reflection of humility and kindness. Let compassion be your inner light, illuminating your path. Scene 4. Eastern philosophies. We transition to a tranquil temple scene. Golden sunlight streams in through gaps in the ancient walls as Buddha delivers a timeless teaching to his disciples. Buddha. The path to enlightenment is not a road walked with the feet, but a journey taken within. It is through the heart that we see clearly. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. So embrace wisdom, let go of ignorance, and cultivate an inner vision that leads to peace and understanding. Scene 5. Conclusion. A powerful collage fills the screen. People from different cultures meditating, children learning, elders praying, and others connecting deeply with nature. The narrator returns to unite all these moments. King of the Kingdom of God. Narrator. Across cultures, across times, the message has always been the same. Vision begins within. It is not limited by physical eyes, but born and nurtured in the heart. Those who truly see the world feel it, embracing wisdom, kindness, and respect for all creation. Let this inner sight guide you forward, not only for yourself, but for the harmony of humanity. We are the salt of the earth, a brilliant tapestry united in our beautiful diversity. The screen fades to black as gentle, uplifting music hums, a perfect ending note of reflection.